Hello and welcome to Magic in My Food. This is Jyoti Dalmia. Today is Tuesday and on Tuesday I post normal recipe. And today's recipe is simply awesome. My family loves it. It's a sweet corn waffle. Yes, I'm making a sweet corn waffle and it's too delicious. So let's begin with it. So for this lovely sweet corn waffle, this is a savory dish. I am going to first take a big bowl. To that I am going to add semolina. Yes, just add semolina to it. This is a savory recipe and you are going to love it. To that I am adding cornmeal, that is your makai ka atta. If you don't have makai ka atta, don't worry. Add chickpea flour to it. Now I am adding some salt. Here goes some black pepper powder. Now to this I am going to add sweet corn kernels. I just crushed it a bit in a mixer jar, or you can crush it in your food processor or chopper, whichever is easier for you to use. And now I am going to add some green chilies. This you can add according to the flavor. I like it a bit spicy, so I'm adding more. Some spring onion goes into it. And now I'm going to add yogurt, that is your curd. I'm adding curd to it. So I've added little curd now, and after mixing a bit, and then I'm going to drop some more curd. So give it a magic mix. It's so easy. And this is simply delicious. You know what happens? The same recipe, if you make it in a different variety of way, children or the family members love it, and even you also enjoy it. So I am making this recipe in a waffle maker. Now just give it a mix, magic mix, and now I am adding baking soda to it. So now this is the final touch to the batter. Just give it a magic mix and my batter is done. Yes. Now I was talking, if you don't have a waffle maker, you can make it on a grill pan even. That would give a lovely ridgy effect. And now this is my waffle maker. I have a Belgian waffle maker. If you have a normal plain simple sandwich type of waffle maker, don't worry, that will also work. In this I have to just rotate, as it's a Belgium style waffle maker. So now I'm just preheating my waffle maker, and after preheating I have to grease the waffle maker. Grease both the sides, and now I'm going to drop the batter into it. So now while you drop the batter, be careful about the quantity, otherwise it will slip. That is it's going to fall down after closing. So fill it 3/4 and then spread it out, and if required add little more. So see here I'm spreading it out, the little space. See, it's quite thick, can you see? And simply cover it up, and now I'm going to shut my waffle lid, and I'm going to twist it. That is, I'm going to rotate it because mine is a Belgium style one. So if you have the normal one, you don't have to rotate. Just keep it like that and it will get cooked. How the steam is coming out. Mine gets cooked in 8 to 10 minutes. Just check. If it doesn't, cook it for more, 1 or 2 minutes, and it would be done. See, I'm just opening it up and let's see. Wow, beautiful golden color. This is the perfect color, and this is the perfectly crispy, crunchy waffle is ready to be eaten, to be enjoyed. So now I'm just going to take it out. Just simply take it out carefully on a plate. It's quite hot. Now I'm going to plate it. So I'm transferring over to a serving plate, and here I'm serving this with the French fries, which are air fried. Yes, I've just fried it in the air fryer so that little oil is used and sprinkling some spring onions. Doesn't they look beautiful? Perfect recipe for a breakfast or as I am serving in dinner. So now you see, this is a very simple recipe which you really can enjoy making and cooking. And if you don't have a waffle, I told you, don't worry, make it on a grill pan. And now comes the tasting time. I'm just taking another waffle and I'm breaking it up. See, it's so crunchy, beautiful. See the airiness inside, it's so fluffy, it is beautifully cooked up, and this goes inside my mouth. Doesn't it look beautiful? Wow, see the lovely fluffiness from inside. So if you have loved it and enjoyed it, just go and make these lovely sweet corn waffles, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and post comments and queries. I would love to answer.